If you want to grow your business or engage your audience, email marketing is essential. Benchmark Email is a popular platform, but most beginners make mistakes that hurt deliverability, conversions, and engagement. Today, they'll give you an honest review and show you how to use Benchmark Email properly. Benchmark Email allows you to create, automate, and track email campaigns with drag-and-drop templates, segmentation, and analytics, but beginners often misuse features or skip critical steps. The first mistake is not segmenting your audience. Sending all emails to every subscriber is a common beginner error. Use benchmark segmentation tools to target customers based on interests, past behavior, or demographics. For example, send special offers only to loyal customers instead of everyone on your list. Another mistake is ignoring subject lines and preview text. Many users craft good emails, but neglect these first impressions. A strong subject line can boost open rates by 30% or more. Test different versions to see what resonates. A surprising truth is that Benchmark Email allows automation beyond welcome sequences. Beginners often set up a single drip campaign and lead it. Explore behavior-based triggers, birthday emails, or abandoned cart sequences to increase engagement and revenue. Beginners also frequently overlook mobile optimization. Over half of emails are opened on mobile devices. Benchmark provides mobile-friendly templates, but if you don't use them, emails may look broken or hard to read. Finally, don't ignore analytics. Benchmark tracks opens, clicks, and conversions. Beginners often send emails and never review the data. Use analytics to refine messaging, timing, and content for better results. In conclusion, Benchmark Email is powerful if used strategically. Segment your audience, craft compelling subject lines, automate intelligently, optimize for mobile, and review analytics. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your email campaigns can drive engagement, sales, and long-term loyalty. If this review helped, subscribe for more email marketing tips, honest software reviews, and actionable growth strategies.